What's going on, you guys? So today we're going to be showing you guys how to install a fuel filter and a water separator if you are running the Fass fuel system on your 07 2500 HD Duramax. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification for more content to come your way. But other than that, let's just get into it. I already know he had to pull up with American forces and treat us like that. Damn. I already know we have to start off the day by getting filled up. Well, let's get on the road. All right, guys, so we have the fuel and the water separator filters taken off. Make sure that the gaskets that are up on this, make sure both of them are taken off before you put the new one on, just because like this one right here is the bad one. You can just see it's just got crap on it all over it, so you just want to make sure you replace those. They do come with new seals, so just make sure that you put those on before you actually put the new ones on. Save you the trouble in the long run. So basically we're just taking a new seal here. We're going to get this baby screwed on up here just like that. On the water separator, you want to put the water one in first. So we're going to go ahead and get that screwed on. Let's see. And you want to tighten this all the way up. Let's see. Might have to play with it just a little bit. There we go. And then you want to just spin that baby on. Make sure she's good and tight, all the way tight. And then we're gonna take the fuel and we do the same thing. Also, guys, please note, you want to go ahead and lubricate the top part of this seal. That way when you put it back on, you're able to take these off easier, and it's also better to do it that way. So just take note that you want to go ahead and lubricate these gaskets before you put them back on. So let's get this fuel one back on here. Let's see here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this one put on all the way. Might have to get down here, play with it just a little bit. We're gonna tighten this all the way till it's tight, and then we're gonna loosen it just a little bit. And then we're gonna go ahead and prime the truck. You prime it a few times, you should be able to come in here and fire her right up. Let's give it a shot and see. And then you want to come back under here, just triple check yourself, make sure there's no flooding happening or any leaks or anything like that. If it looks nice and dry, you should be good to go.